the value of length of a rod when it is having a mass 400 gram and it's having a moment of inertia of 2400 gram centimeters square. It's known that the moment of inertia of a rod can be calculated using a formula ml square divided by 12. So here I is representing the value of moment of inertia, whereas the moment of inertia is given as 2400 grams centimeter square in the question. Whereas EM is representing the value of mass of rod, which is given as 400 gram. Whereas L is representing the value of length. Here the question is about calculating the length only. So we can rearrange the equation. L square is equal 12I divided by M, we will get it. Let us apply the values here. So L square will be equal to 12 times 2400 divided by 400. First we can cancel the zeros, then we can cancel the number. When we are cancelling the number, 1 4s are 4, 3 4s are 12. So when we are multiplying the remaining numbers, we will get the answer 72. But this is for L square. We need only the EL value. So we have to take a square root. When we are taking the square root, it will be equal to 8.48, which is approximately equal to 8.5 centimeter. So the correct answer for the question is option C.